How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing hand grip workouts. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So we're going to be using 150 pounds of resistance, which is a decent amount, but we'll be doing high repetitions. We'll be doing 15 reps. We'll do 5 sets, 75 total repetitions, which is a lot for hand grip. So let's get started. So just like that. First set, not too bad. I could feel a little bit of burn near the end. 5 sets is gonna be tough. Again, I'm not used to high repetitions for hand grip training. Generally, I'm used to about 10 reps or so, being the high amount. Generally, I do about 2 to 3 sets, so about 30 reps I generally do as a high amount. A low amount, anywhere from 3 to 5 reps. But yeah, 6th video of the day, just cruising along. It's 8:30 right now, pretty decent. Should be able to make about 8 videos in 2 hours, which is sick. We'll see how it goes. I've been thinking about adding a couple of more topics to my channel. I'm not really quite sure what they would be yet. I'm thinking hip fat. That's one that I was thinking. The other one, I'm not quite sure. So you already have forearms. I got push-ups, I got chest fats, I got abs, I have forearms, I have face, I got height workouts, got arm fat workouts, hip fat, I guess, could be one, possible one. Not quite sure after that, to be honest. I kind of want to keep it specific to the fitness channel. I already have a couple of videos that aren't fitness related, like the whistling video. That's not fitness related, but it's pretty fun. It's pretty chill. It gives me a break in between workouts because, again, I'm doing a ton of freaking workouts. So having one or two videos on my channel that aren't workout, I think is fine. But yeah, I don't know. I honestly have no idea what I would do. So I'm gonna keep looking, keep trying and see what's out there. Again, I could do like a muscle building workout maybe, but doing calisthenics, most of the muscle building stuff would be push-ups, to be honest. And I already have a push-up video and a chest fat video, so I don't really need another one. Biceps can't really do. I mean, I guess you could do biceps, but I'm not really quite sure of the exercises you could do at home for biceps. I guess, I don't know, I got a good thing going. Got a lot of different topics, so I'm not really too concerned. We see, I do about a new workout. I'll do the same workout about once a week. So every week, every week you'll see a workout again. So if I do push-ups, one day you'll have to wait another week to see another push-up video, which I think is pretty good, considering I'm making 3 vids per day. So you see a lot of content before you see the same workout vid. Again, it's not the same video because I am switching up the exercises, but it's the same topic, if you will. So Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylan Burke 99.